Yo, what's poppin', man? You already know what it is, man. It's that time again, that grind again, man. The white man, you will, man. Holla at your boy. Like I said, man, YouTube videos is definitely gonna get a little bit better, man. You know, I need you to like, subscribe, holla at your boy. Drop a comment below, man. You know, they gradually getting better, but like I said, man, so it's all about timing. But what I got here today, I got the this unboxing. You know, I didn't open them up yet. Like I always do, I give y'all my first impressions of how they look when I open them up. So we're about to get to it. These are the royal toes. That's what we call them, the royal toes. I don't know if that's the proper name of them, but we're gonna see right now. I caught mines on the what's that, the quick strike, the quick drop. You know, where you had like exclusive access to it. Funny thing is, when I had exclusive access, the app, the shoes came on the app, then they sold out instantly like that. And then I was like, okay, well, how did I have exclusive access if they sold out right away? And it was like just holding for you, whatnot, and then it just disappeared off the app. So then, like 2 seconds later, the shoes popped up back on the app. I actually wear a size 9.5, so I end up just randomly getting a 10. I was just like, you know what? I can't miss out on these. If I never tried a 10 in a Jordan 1 before. I'm usually a 9.5. You know, I always go true to size with my Jordan 1s, but I end up getting the 10. So they actually come out tomorrow. We should have got them, but due to the coronavirus, we end up, people who caught them on the exclusive access, they end up getting them, you know, late. But they come out tomorrow, March 9th. I got them today, March 8th, whatever you want to call it, whatever. I usually don't drop dates, but I'm uploading this in real time, you hear me? But, without further ado, here we go. Let me see. Open that up. A little something, y'all like my cup? I like my cup too. Open the box upside down. Y'all know how I do it. Get that box up out of here. Throw that right there. You know, you got the paper, of course. You know, Nike box, original Nike box. Size 10, 10.5. I mean, not 10.5, a 10, my bad. I wear 9.5. But, so, these actually pretty smooth, man. I can see these, being real nice. These are nice. So, yeah. You got your, they come with the blue laces. They definitely come with the blue laces. Hopefully I can catch my size tomorrow on the Nike drop, so I could get my 9.5. It just wouldn't fit me right. It wouldn't feel right if I went with this 10. But we got the Nike Air sign on the front. It's leather with the white Nike stamp. We got the Nike in the inside, Nike Air on the inside. The Jordan logo right here. You know, the Wings logo, all white. Let me see. I'm not really big on the whole quality thing. Obviously, you know, from Jordan 1 to Jordan 1, it varies. But these seem smooth. I'm just a fly, like I said, I'm a fly dude. You know, I just get busy with that. What's this right here? See what I'm doing? Okay, whatever. Back to the review. There's like a little dot or something in here. Like you gotta poke it out when you put your shoelace through. Let's try that right now before we even go anymore, because these kind of, oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, you just poke there's a little white thing in there. You know, you pull that through, whatever. Anyway, come with the black laces. Obviously, it's already laced in. Then you got the blue laces. I think I said that already. Blue bottom, blue toe, royal toe. I have the Royal Toe 1, I mean, not Royal Toe, the Jordan Royals. It's a shade off. I didn't compare them yet. but I could just tell that it's a shade off. I know for sure it is. You got your white color blocking, your white, black, and blue color blocking. Kind of, it definitely reminds you of the bread toes. If you got those bread toes, you know, I got the bread toes too. But the difference between the bread toes and the royal toes is it's more like a cell colorway on the bread toes. But you know, I like these for the most part. They're pretty smooth, you know. Let me know if you're going to pick these up tomorrow. You know, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let somebody know. Tell them come mess with me, man. You know, it's the time to get that grind again, man. It's your boy, the White Man You Well. I'm gonna keep dropping these, and like I said, the videos are definitely gonna get bigger and better. I'm just, you know, getting content out there, letting people know what's up and all that. You know, marketing and everything is gonna definitely go up pretty soon when this whole coronavirus thing go out. But I would give y'all on feet with these, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them. Like, I'm not even gonna stick my foot in them to see, because I know I'm a true to size with the Jordan 1s and stuff. I usually don't let my videos go this long, so I'm gonna have to get out of here. Worst case scenario, if I don't catch my size tomorrow, I don't want to have to sell these or send them back. But, you know, worst case scenario, I have to send them back, you know, and I'll just probably end up missing out on these. But hopefully I don't. But it's your boy, the White Man You Well, man. Checking in. Hope y'all being smooth. Hope y'all being safe out there. And like, subscribe. Drop a comment. Let me know, man. Let me know. I'm out of here. Peace. 1.